Hi, I am Karthik Rannan. I am the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me, so I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing great. So please inform your friends to join early. Today I'm going to conduct a quiz 6:40. Okay. So 10 minutes more. Please inform your friends to join early. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. It was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions. From the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 90th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
As I informed before, please inform to join early your friends also. I'm going to conduct a quiz 6:40. Okay.
I was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exams to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course which I topped, so I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here, and thank you.
Now I'm going to conduct a quiz. Please inform your friends to join. Okay. So after that, I'm not going to give time. So I'm sharing the link. So all the best, everyone. Yep, 2 more minutes. So I will show top 20. Meanwhile, any more questions you can ask me. So March 9th, we have a subject-wise test on verbal ability. Okay, we are covering all the topics. So be prepared for that. And 11th, from 11th March, we are going to start soft skills. Okay. Today only quizzer class also. Yes, we have class also. So within 5 to 10 minutes, we'll go to the class as well. Okay. So if you are struggling with anywhere, you can just let me know. So in LMS or a Zoom link, WhatsApp channel. So I will help you on that. Okay. Or else if you have any queries also, I will clear. Anybody having exams this month or else this end of the month or next month starting? So please let me know your college name and your state. Okay. So time up, guys. Be hurry. Okay. So I'll show top 20 now. Exams from March to April, ma'am. So March, on which date it is starting and when it going to end? Please let me know that, Vaishnavi. So this is our top 20 list. Congratulations, guys, as usual. So who submitted early, those names I took here. Remaining people don't get hurt. Try to submit early. Okay, so be practice so that you will also be here one day. Last 3 classes missed due to college project. Okay. Shimanta, don't worry. So we have a recording sessions. Okay, you can go through the recordings. How was your project review? It gone good? Yeah, nice, great. Yes, ma'am, we have exams on 14th March, internal from 31st. Okay, St. John's College for Women's. Vaishnavi, please let me know your state as well so that we will consider those colleges attendant. Okay. Shajana, you are also like mention your college name and state. So, ma'am, in LMS one, match show error means. So, I didn't get your question, Narayana. Today, why quiz this early? I joined now only, no teaching today. So, today teaching is there. Just 5 to 10 minutes. We'll start the session. Okay. So everyone joined our WhatsApp channel or not? Please let me know. 11th March. Okay. Andhra, Telangana both have the thing. Ma'am, I couldn't join. Yes, Bhagyashree. I will share the WhatsApp channel link. So please join. So I hope everyone done with your questions. We'll move to the session. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, Tamil Selvan, you can take up the class. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandana. A very good evening to you all students. Welcome to this session on cloze test, and we will discuss a lot about another aspect of grammar called verbal analogy. Is my voice audible? Good evening, Lohit Sai. Confirm in chat. Okay. Good evening. Okay, we'll start with the classes right away. I'll share my screen. Hope you all had a very interesting weekend and have started this week again. Now today's session is cloze test and verbal analogy. Okay. How many of you are new to this topic? Get to see this term cloze test and verbal analogy for the first time? Reply in chat. Lohit Sai haven't heard about it. Anita haven't heard about it. Anita and Lohit Sai haven't heard about it. How many have not? Others are familiar with this, I suppose. Are you all very familiar about this topic? Cloze test and verbal analogy. Okay. For both set of students, that is, who are very much familiar about these terms and how it works, and for people who are listening to it for the first time, let's get started with the definition of what verbal analogy is all about. As you see on screen, an analogy is a comparison of two things that seem unrelated but are actually related or similar to each other in some respect. These so-called word analogies or verbal analogies are available in different types. So there are about 15 types. There are a few more as well, but these 15 are very common. You can expect one of these category of analogies for your aptitude test. As part of your aptitude test in the verbal section, you can expect any one or two of these types of analogy. You have opposite analogies which are opposite. We will discuss more about it in detail with examples. Object and classification analogies, object and related object, object and group, degrees of a characteristic analogies, cause and effect, problem and solution analogies, rhyme analogies, verb tenses analogies, performer and action, object and part of the whole, Tamil Nadu state. So a similar analogy you will have to find from the given options. Part and whole, object and function, object and location, effort and result, things that go together. So these are some of the commonly used analogies in question papers. As we progress through the session, you will get to know a lot of examples. Okay. Now, as we usually do, we will go to some exercises first, and then we'll come back and discuss different kinds of analogies. I'll take you to the activity session. Okay. I'm searching to start with simple analogies so that you will not find it difficult to begin with. Okay. Now, this is how you will find the questions related to analogy in your verbal section. The complexity depends on the company that you appear for. Some companies will test you on your basic analogy skills and some at the intermediate level. And some companies do test your complex understanding of relationship between words, terms, and expressions. So the direction here says 1 to 10. Each question consists of two words which have a certain relationship to each other, followed by 4 pairs of related verbs. Select the pair which has the same relationship. Remember, we just now discussed about 15 relationships. Relationships in terms of synonyms, antonyms, part and whole, gender, young ones, and animals and young ones. It could be anything. Guess the similar relationship. 10 is to decimal. So 7 is to septet, 4 is to quadrat, 2 is to binary, 5 is to twins. And to solve analogies, you should have very good vocabulary and some logical thinking to quickly relate and identify the relationship. Okay. Now, give me the meaning or give me the answers for the first 6. You should find out the pair of words which bears the same relationship as given in the question. Okay. Vadlamudi Leela Haripriya. Very good, Haripriya. You have answered it as 2 binary. 2 binary, option C. Okay. Bhakeshri has gone with the same option. 2 is to binary, that is option C. Just mention the option. Right? Maybe you can take about 30 seconds to think and find the similar relationship between the 4 or 5 options given. Sometimes you will have 5 options, A, B, C, D, and E to choose from, but here you have 4 to choose from. 2B, okay. I wanted you to send your answers like Lohit Sai has done. He has sent all 6 at a single shot, at a single go. His options are B, C, B, C, A. Okay. If you could give it like that, it would be easy. We will discuss the relationship a little later. First, try it out. Three A. Okay. Give your answer in full for all 6 questions. Give an answer in complete in one set, as in a single shot. If you enter it, when we go to the answer section, it's easy for us to compare. Thank you, Kirti Shravani, Leela Haripriya, Bhakeshri Gaikwad, Lohit Sai. Only very few people have responded. Nilofer Sheikh, welcome Nilofer Sheikh. You have answered 5 questions, but you see 6 questions on screen. Answer the last one as well. Others, quickly complete, give it a try. Even if you're wrong, you don't have to worry. We are here to learn. I've given you a very simple analogy, verbal analogy. Analogy, from the word, it's self-explanatory that you will have to analyze and find the relationship right. Kirti Shravani, answer all the 6 questions. Have you answered 1 to 5 already? Okay. Okay, you have answered separately. Make it fast, students. We have 2 more minutes. In the exam, you will have to quickly identify the answers. Your time is also very crucial. Speed and accuracy is what matters in the actual test. So quickly, Praveen Sheikh, very good. You have given all the answers. Wait for a couple of minutes and we can check how many of it are correct. You have 1 more minute left. In 30 seconds, I will take you to the answer. So if there is anybody willing to send your answers before 30 seconds, please do. Thank you for all those who have sent in the answers. I see close to 50 participants, but only 7 or 8 have responded. Others, please do so quickly. Nilofer Sheikh, Bhakeshri Gaikwad, Praveen Sheikh, Lohit Sai, Kiran Shravani, Nilofer, Leela Haripriya. Okay. Only 7 to 8 students have responded so far. Haripriya has given a complete list of answers, C, B, A, C, C, C. Okay. Shall we move on to the answer? Would you like to complete this as well? Okay. Give it a try. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we will discuss the answer together. 1 to 10 at a stretch. Quick. I'll give you 2 minutes. Answer 7 to 10 as well. Okay. Quickly send in your answers. 1 minute left. Okay, Lohit Sai has compiled all his answers. 1 to 10. If others can also do so, that would be great. Others, quickly send in your answers. 7 to 10. Lohit Sai, Praveen have completed. Nilofer Sheikh has completed. Bhakeshri has completed. Shravani, you have 2 more. 7 and 8, you have responded. For 9 and 10, send me your answers quickly. Okay, let's move on to the answers. Anybody still wanted time to compile their answers? Okay. Now, here is the answer. You find it on the top of the screen, 1 to 10. You can cross-check your answers and can enter your marks in the chat box. Anybody who scores above 6, I would say, has good logical thinking, good vocabulary, and has the ability to relate to the relationship between words. Lohit Sai has got 3 correct. All my 10 answers are correct. Nilofer Sheikh, congratulations. That's a very good job. Others, you can cross-check your answers quickly. Please enter your marks quickly. Bhakeshri has scored 7 out of 10. Congratulations, Bhakeshri. Others, enter your marks. And meanwhile, you can attempt these 3 questions as well. 87, 88, 89, and do you have here? No, those are options. 3 questions on the screen. Quickly, Lohit Sai has responded. Praveen Sheikh. Okay. You have written it as A and B, not the answer. 1C, 2B, 3A. So from next time, mention the option as well. It's easy. 87, 88, and 89. Since it's a kind of open book exam, if you come across new words and the range of vocabulary could be high, you will come across a lot of unfamiliar words. So quickly Google it, find the answer, and then find the relationship. That's how you practice and learn. Nogitsai alone has responded to 87, 88, and 89. I understand there are a lot of new words here, words you may not be familiar with. Not an issue. You can always search the meaning and then find the relationship. Ladakh stars, okay, on the YouTube. Manjila Gangadhara claims that he has got 9 out of 10 correct. Congratulations, Manjula. And thank you for answering 87, 88. Very good try. You can check the answers shortly. Sajana. Shazana has answered 87, 88, and 89. So how many marks did you all score? No one has displayed none of the YouTube viewers, students who attend to YouTube, watching is live, watching the session live. None of you have shared your marks for the previous 10 questions. Please do that. And thank you very much for sharing your answers for letting me know that you are very attentive and are very quick to respond. I appreciate all your response. Thank you all very much. Now, Rohit Sai has responded. Let me. Okay. There are explanations given. You can quickly spend some time in looking at the explanation here. So the first relationship is antonyms, opposite, winding and straight. So the answer is A, reckless and cautious. For 87, Ladakh stars got it right. Manjula got it right among the YouTube viewers. 87A, but 88 it's B, it's not A. Okay. So Sarjana, one of our YouTube viewers, has mentioned that she has scored 7 out of 10. Congratulations, that's 70%. A good start. If you practice more regularly, you have better chance to score 100% in verbal. If practice is good. So the first relationship is antonyms. The second one is synonym. 77, the relationship is antonyms for, 87. For 88, it is synonyms. The analogy here is that a smell could be pungent smell, a piercing and pleasant smell. You can take a snapshot of this, and there are other examples we have covered at the end, and you will have a detailed answer for those questions too. Okay, we will have some more quick 27 to 30. 4 questions. Quickly send me the answers. Quick. I can wait only for a couple of minutes. Praveen, send the answers for all four together. 27, 28, 29, 30. Good to get quick response from YouTube students who are watching the session through YouTube live stream. Tanusha, thank you very much for responding. Tanusha has responded. Praveen Sheikh, send all four questions at a stretch in a single go. Monica has just joined. Answer the questions, Monica. We are discussing relationship between words. It's called verbal analogy. I'll give you a minute. Quickly answer all four and we will cross-check our answers. Manasa has answered only one. Have you sent the answers already, Manasa? Yes. Compile your answers and send. 27, 28, 29, 30. All four together in a single entry. Students who are watching us through live stream in YouTube are also doing great. They are answering for all the questions. That's the spirit. I want this kind of involvement to respond to questions, be it right or wrong. We can learn, but you should have this habit of quickly responding, giving the answer. Kirti Shravani, Manasa, thank you for your answers. History. Nilofer, good. Okay, we will move on to the answers. Okay, you have the answers on the top. For 27 it's C, for 28 it's B, 29 it's C, and 30 it's D. Give me your answers quickly. Bhageshri has scored 50%. Kirti Srivani got 1 out of 4 correct, which is 25%. Others, quickly share your marks. Praveen got 50%. It is 2 out of 4, not 4 out of 2. You got the fraction wrong. 2 by 4. Or 2 out of 4. One answer is correct for Nilofer Sheikh. Okay, good. Good attempt. So some of these are previous year questions, previous year and the year before that. So mostly I have taken questions from the past 3 years from different companies, almost 60 to 70 companies we have referred to get these questions. So the time that you invest is worth doing. Okay. So this analogy should be very simple. I have 5 questions for you here. The one in bold, the first one shows you the relationship athlete and trophy. You should choose an option among A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 options given. Select the best pair which shares the same relationship as that of the question. Only 5 questions, quick. Make it fast. Quick, go ahead and post your answers. All 5 at a stretch, not one by one. Send all the 5 answers at a stretch. Okay, Manasa has a confusion with the second question, either C or B. Let's check the answer and then decide. Shall we move on? The number of students participating in the class has become less today. Why? Is it because this verbal analogy challenges your understanding or it challenges your vocabulary? Yes, it does. Not all sections in verbal is simple. Grammar sections are simple because once you master the rules, it becomes simple. But analogy, you should find the relationship and then should find the similar relationship in the answer, options given in the answer. Okay, Arvind Sheikh has given answer for all the 5. Anybody? I give you a minute before I give you the answers. So Praveen Sheikh has given answers for all 5. Manasa has answered 3. Okay. In YouTube, how many have given the answers? Okay. Here you have a detailed answer. So if you have any doubts with the answer, the explanation is also given. You can have a look at it. Read and understand the relationship. Why that particular answer is correct, it's very evidently given. Take a minute or 2 to go through everything. Only then will you understand how to relate the given question and how to find the same relationship among the options given, from the options given. Praveen has shared his score. He has scored 1 out of 5 or okay, he has got 1 correct answer, I believe. How about Parveen Sheikh? First one is C, he got it right. Second one, his answer is incorrect. Third one is A. Fourth one is A again. Fifth one is B. He got only 1. Okay, others? quickly share your marks. So students, one of the ways to score marks in the analogy section is to have a good command over vocabulary. Once you get your vocabulary right, then you quickly arrive at the relationship. Okay. Try this out. You have two simple questions and another set 10 from 75 to 85, which is mixed. Some are easy, some difficult, and some very difficult. And this is how you will find questions in the actual test. You can't expect very simple questions. It will be a mix of complexity. Iti Shravani, you have answered for the first two. Quickly complete 75 to 81, and we have four more questions in the next slide. Quick. Let me quickly check how many among the YouTube viewers have given me the right answer. Okay, Monica has responded. Monica has scored 50%. Among the YouTube viewers, Monica has scored 50% of marks in the previous test. Another Ladakh stars under this name. The student has got 50%. Others, okay. Keep trying. You should know about the cries of animals, young ones of animals, the relationship between people. You should know about sports, games, and other cultural connotation of different set of people. To score good marks in analogy, in addition to your mastery over vocabulary, you should also know how culture-specific terms play an important role in relation. Send your answers together from 75 to 80, at least in chunks of 5 you should send. First send the answers for the first 5, 75 to 80. Seventy-five to 80, 6 questions. Quick. Make it fast. Okay. Monica has answered. Our YouTube viewer, Monica has answered. Shazana has also answered. Thank you all very much for your timely response. I've got one proper answer from 1 to 80. 1 and 2, 75 to 80, you have the answers. Let us check. How about 81, Praveen Sheikh? You missed out on one. Okay, I said first complete 80, so you have completed the first 5. Thank you. Now let us go to the answer part. We'll come back to the question first. We'll have the answer. So 1 and 2, and from 81 to 86, you have the answers here. Make it fast. All this we'll look at it a little later. We'll start with easy ones. Okay. 75 to 80. Who has the answer here? 70 to 80. Fine. Okay. Check through this. I'll take you to some simpler analogies. Okay. 11 to 40. This would be comparatively easier. All can participate. So 11 to 15 or 16. 11 to 16. I'll give you only 2 minutes. Quickly give me the answer. This will not be very complex. This is at a intermediate level. This is between simple and intermediate level. Quickly answer the first 6 questions. Quick. Is my voice loud and clear? Students, I've just received a feedback stating that my voice is low. Will some of you quickly comment on that? Am I audible clearly? Is my voice very low? Should I increase the volume or something? Let me know in the chat box quickly. Let me check my settings for a while. Okay. Wait. Right. Thank you, for confirmation. Others, if a couple of others can also confirm that my voice is clear, then I can continue. Else, I would check if something has to be done to improve my voice clarity. Am I audible? Am I loud and clear? Thank you, Lohit Sai. Thank you, Adarsh Sharma. Thank you all very much for this confirmation. Thank you. Thank you. Go ahead with the activity. So complete this in 2 minutes. Thank you, Adarsh Sharma, for your response. Others? This I would call is much simple, much easy when compared to other complex questions. So if you could score close to 70 or 80% in this test, then you are good to go. To begin with, it means you are good. Okay. 11 to 16. There is one question related to multiplication, addition, and then you have symbols. The first one is it's for subtraction. It's for subtraction. B is addition, and then you have this asterisk mark. D is undefined. Okay. Shall we move on? Your time does matter. Okay. Let's from 11. Let's complete 20 or 21. Let's complete 21 and then we'll go for a check. We will discuss, we will verify the answers and then we'll proceed. Vaishnavi, where is your answers for the first 10? That is from 11 to 16. Okay, you have sent it. Yeah. I'm getting very good response from YouTube viewers as well. They have started responding. I appreciate all your responses, students. Rohit Sai has given a clear response from 11 to 22 altogether. Okay. Others, I'll give you a minute, only 60 seconds. We will skip another 20 questions, go to the answer, check our answers, and then we'll come back for more practice. Okay. Rohit Sai, Vaishnavi, Anita has not given answers from 17 to 23. Do submit it, Anita. Rohit Sai, Adarsh Sharma. You haven't given me the numbers. You have said only B, C, B, B, D, D. When you answer, mention the question number as well. Okay. Yes. Check the answer here. Okay. Answers are for all together. So, okay, that's fine. The rest you can do it as homework. The material will be available to you in LMS. Now check the answer for the first 10, 11 to 21 and share your marks here. Quick, do it fast. We will have some activity on cloze test as well. We still have 45 minutes. We will discuss cloze test and we'll again come back to verbal analogies. We will discuss some relationships. Quick, give me your marks. How much have you scored? Adarsh has got 16 wrong. Okay. Work on it. We will discuss more on analogies and relationships so that next time when you submit your answers, you will get at least 70-80%. Lohit Sai says all correct for him. Congratulations on getting everything correct. Others good attempt. Keep trying. Below for sorry claims he got 10. All 10 correct. Very good, Nilofer. Okay, we will take a break from analogies and we will start with cloze test. In cloze test, it's an exercise where you will be given a passage and a lot of blanks in between, which has certain words missing in it. So candidates must have strong command over English language. Of course, you have to, along with the flair for grammar and a good vocabulary to solve questions based on cloze test. Moreover, it is important to understand the flow and context of the passage. Contextual meaning is very much important rather than literal meaning. So we here discuss some approaches to solve cloze test. The first and foremost thing is to read thoroughly. Don't skim the text. You should read thoroughly to get the idea and understanding of the text, and then should go for the appropriate words. You should link the sentences. Also decide on the type of word to fill in. For example, if it's a noun, then it has to be a noun there. Do not fill in with an adjective, adverb, or some other inappropriate word. You have an example here, the last couple of sentences in the slide. I forgot to carry my blank to school. I therefore had to share with my friend. The logical answer here would be a book or a tiffin or my lunch bag. Okay. What are the other options possible? Give it in chat. I forgot to carry my dash to school. I therefore had to share with my friend. What else you usually forget to carry to school? Yes, about your lunch and lunch box, something else. All right, we will work on certain exercises. Textbook, okay. At times you forget textbook as well. That's a good reply. Okay, these are the theoretical aspects. Let's test. Let me test your understanding, your ability to do well in the cloze test. This is a bit complex one. Here you have to choose phrases and not just simple words. You will have to choose one from the options given on the right. Options are given as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I, and you have blanks 94 to 96 on this page, and 97 and 98 here, and 100 here. So in all, I have given you the options to choose from. So quickly complete the first three, 94, 95, 96. Read the entire passage and choose which of these 9 options fits in appropriately for blank number 95, 90, 94, 95, and 96. Quick. I'm looking for your answers in chat. When you answer together 94, 95, and 96. You don't have to type the entire answer, just mention whether it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Just mention the letter corresponding alphabet, and you need not write the entire phrase. Quick. Your time starts now. After 2 to 3 minutes, I will move on to the next set of questions. Make it fast. Among the YouTube viewers, I have not received any response for question number 94, 95, and 96. Please respond. You have just a minute to post your responses. Anita, quickly respond for question number 95 and 96. Tanusha, thank you very much for responding to all 4 questions. 95H, 94. So you have lost last 30 seconds before we move on to the next set of questions. Make it fast. If anybody is ready with the answer, please post your answers. Post your answers in the chat, and we will move. Okay, there are 2 questions here, 97 and 98. Thank you, Anita, for your response. Others, quickly respond, and we have to move. Complete the last 2 questions before we validate our answers. Thank you for compiling your answers from 94 to 100. If others can do it, we can quickly move on to the answers and check our scores. Quick, I'll give you a minute. Mohammed Abdul Qadir, good to see you back posting answers in the chat box. Vaishnavi, given your answers, send in your answers for 99 and 100. Lohit Sai, include the last 2 questions that you see on slide quickly, and then we'll move on to the answers. I appreciate all those who are responding quickly, and people who have not responded so far, please do send in your answers in the chat. Okay. So for this question, The reason is also available, so you have an opportunity to learn why your option is incorrect, if at all it is incorrect. I've given you the explanation as well. Very good, Vaishnavi, Anita, Lohit Sai, Mohammed, Abdul Qadir, Vaishnavi. I'll give you a minute and then I'll take you to the answers. Okay. Yes, you can check your answers now. Check your answers and send me your scores quick. This slide not only gives you the right option, it does explain why that particular answer fits into the blank very appropriately and why the others don't. Send in your scores quickly. Let me check who has scored more than 60%. Anything above 6, if you could get 6 blanks correct, then you're good to go. Lohit Sai has got 70%. If you're getting more than 5 correct, then okay. Congratulations, Mohammed. If you have scored 8 and above in IELTS, then these questions are a kind of take work for you. Okay, we'll move on. Now this is a simple cloze test. There is no complex phrases or idioms. You just have to choose among a set of words given. There are 14 blanks here. For every blank, you have 4 options to choose from 5 to 14. You have 10 blanks. And for each blank, there is a number given. And in the options, that particular number has 4 choices. So you will have to choose one among those 4 and have to fill it. Quick. Read the passage first. Understand which word fits in the best and then decide accordingly. I'll give you 3 minutes to complete this exercise. Quick. Very good, Lohit Sai. You have completed all 14. Others, if I get few more answers, then we can proceed with the checking the answers here. Quick. Okay. I'll give you a minute for those of you who are still working on this exercise. Quickly submit the answers and we can go for validating our answers. Shall we go for the answers? Can I get an yes? Only when 10 people send me an yes, will I take you to the answer slide. Only Lohit Sai has responded. Others, I should get 10 replies from 10 different people. Only then will I consider that you guys are responding. You are attentively working on the exercises here. Only one response. Am I audible, by the way? Is my voice loud and clear? Why is that only Rohit Sai has responded that yes sir, we can proceed to the answer? What about others? Are you not in class? Yes, Pratik. Thank you for your response. Others? Check the answers. And send me your marks quickly. I need your scores. How many have scored 6 and above out of 8? Quick, respond quickly. Let me check with students who are participating through YouTube. Let me check their response. Okay, Lohit Sai got 6 correct. Good try. Did anyone get all 8 correct? Abhijit? IB? 6, you got it right. Abhijit through YouTube has sent me the answer. Okay. Shazana has got 2 correct answers. Congratulations, Shazana. Narayana has 2 correct answers. Good. Keep trying. Next time you should do well and get above 70%. Okay. Thirty-one to 35. Do this quickly. This is at the intermediate level. 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 on a single slide. Complete this 5 quickly. You will have to choose from the list of options given below. Make it fast. Yes, 5 questions. Complete this quick. Haven't received any response so far. Make it fast. Lohit Sai has submitted the answer. If another 4 or 5 students submit, then we will proceed with the answers. Proceed with checking the answers. Quick. Make it fast. Ready? How many have posted? Muhammad Ali. Thank you for your response. Okay. So for 31 to 35, here is the answer. It is C, A, D, A, and E. So how many are correct? Give me your scores. Quick. Last 2 minutes. We will wind up with this exercise. Gayatri has got 2, Likita 2. Who else? This, as I said, is the intermediate level. Probably you should keep practicing more to arrive at the right answer. When you regularly practice, you will be able to score 70 to 80%. Okay. So thank you all very much for answering questions, posting your responses on time. I would appreciate if more and more students participate in submitting your answers, asking queries, and if you could make this session interactive and live, I'll be very happy to carry on with other sessions as well. So thank you all very much for today's session, and tomorrow we have another important concept. We'll come up with a different set of activities. Okay, I'll give you the answer for 13 and 14 for the last two that is missing out. Right. Ideas. System of ideas. It takes do's and don'ts about ideas and particular way of life. I'll send it in chat. Thank you, students. Thank you all very much. I'll meet you tomorrow and we will discuss other important aspects of verbal ability. Thank you. Take care.
Yeah, thank you, Taman sir. So guys, mark your attendance. If you are done with the attendance, if you have any queries, you can ask me, or else we'll wind up the session. Okay. So hope you enjoy the session. Thank you for joining. Okay. Where is the quiz? So we are already done with the quiz. Okay. Soft sessions contain interaction now. So you are asking soft skill session, Likita? So yes, so we have a contains interaction as well. Anybody is new for this session? Please let me know. We are not getting Zoom link in WhatsApp now. So Dinesh, sorry, DS Kumar, you joined our WhatsApp channel or not? No, we registered earlier only, ma'am. So we have a WhatsApp channel. So this is our WhatsApp channel. So please join here. So daily you will receive updated Zoom and YouTube links. Okay. Ma'am, please send syllabus copy of all. So Likita, we have LMS, right? So in the LMS, you will receive all the things. So, do you aware about our LMS? Yeah, we have a WhatsApp channel, DS Kumar. So you can join to this WhatsApp channel. You will receive daily links. Okay. LMS not having syllabus, map. So you need a syllabus like which topics we are going to teach here, right? Yeah, fine. I will share in a tomorrow session. Okay. I'll make one PPT and I'll share. Yeah, if you don't have any queries, you can leave the session. From YouTube, any more questions? Or else we are good to go. Okay. I think there is no more questions. Okay, done. So thank you so much again for joining this class. Okay. Yep. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. Go and have your food.